In this video, we will talk about the different data types used in data science. So the different data types used in data science are broadly divided into two parts. Now this classification is with respect to data science and not any particular language. So this will remain the same if you are in R or you are in Python or any other language. So all variables are divided broadly into two types. The first is quantitative. The other is qualitative. Now quantitative is when your variable represents a quantity, when it's a number. Qualitative is when the variable represents a feature, a property. Now let's see them in details. Now the quantitative variables are further divided into two parts. One is called continuous quantitative variables. The other is discrete quantitative variables. Let's see them in details. So continuous quantitative variables are those which can take any values. So for example, weight. The weight of a person can take any values. So I can have decimal places as well. So for example, somebody might be 68 kg, somebody might be 69 kgs. You might have 68.5 kgs also. So continuous variables are a continuous series of variables. So the important way to distinguish a continuous variable from others is between any two consecutive values of quantitative continuous variables, there can be infinite other values. So for example, if somebody's weight is 68 and somebody else's weight is 69, I can have infinite other weights in between them. So I can have 68.1, I can have 68.2 and so on. Or I can also have 68.01, 68.02, etc. So the point I am trying to make is there can be infinite number of weights between 68 and 69. So that is why it is called continuous quantitative variables. So examples are weight, height, anything to do with money. So for example, somebody's income. So these are all continuous variables. Now let us see what is discrete variable. Now discrete variables are those quantitative variables which can take only whole numbers. So for example, the number of cars a person has. A number of cars a person has can only be 1, 2, 3 or any other whole number. It cannot be a decimal number. A person cannot have 1.5 cars. So it takes only whole numbers. These variables are known as discrete quantitative variables. Now coming to the qualitative variable side, remember these variables are properties. They do not take numbers. Now this is again divided into two parts. The first is nominal. The second is ordinal. Now what are nominal qualitative variables? Nominal qualitative variables are any categories which do not have any order or any hierarchy. So for example, gender. So gender can take two values, male and female. Now male and female, they do not have any order. You cannot arrange male and female in any order. They are just pure categories. So these kind of variables are known as nominal variables. So gender, color, so any color you take, red, blue, green, these are all nominal variables. You cannot say that red color is greater than blue or greater than green or whatever. Any hierarchy cannot be formed between these values. So these are known as nominal variables. Ordinal variables, on the other hand, there is a hierarchy in the ordinal variables, and you can say which one is better than the other. So for example, if I say low, medium and high, now we all know that there is a hierarchy associated here. So low is less than medium, is less than high. So there is a hierarchy involved here, which is why they are known as ordinal variables. So the word ordinal comes from the word order. So order. There is a order associated in the categories that are present in ordinal variables. So these are the different kinds of variables used in data science. This is